So a couple different things. So one is when you look at financing, most Americans buy things on credit. That's normally not as popular in siding. Like I offer financing, I don't know why you wouldn't. My most popular plan, 80% of people take it's 18 months same as cash. And what that means is, as long as you pay it off in 18 months, there's no interest, okay? I do give like a check discount, so if you wanna pay by check versus financing, there's a fee, but I have 5 or 6 different options. There's also several options you go through your bank or someone else. A lot of my clients are saying, man, what I want is 45, I have 39, I'll finance the 6. That seems to be pretty reasonable, because most people I know, there's some products they've done where they wish they went all the way and they didn't, and it's gonna cost you more money down the road to get the new gutters you wanted or something else. So when it comes to return on investment, so Remodeling Magazine looks at the top kind of 30, 40 things you do for your house in the largest 88 cities in America. And so 14 of the last 15 years, Hardy's been the number one return on investment for what they say is like a medium upgrade. So not like you add an addition to your house, but like you're doing a kitchen, you're doing a basement, you're doing siding. And so Hardy's always number one. And so partially because like, listen, a lot of people talk about kitchen and baths, but they're so personalized. You could redo a kitchen and someone could hate it. And it could be a very nice brand new kitchen. That's not what they wanted. They wanted white cabinets versus your oak. They wanted, you know, way more brass, whatever. They want any brass, you want brass everywhere. And so siding Hardy's a huge return on investment because siding's expensive. So it's basically taken off the list. If you're ever going to sell your house, it's one huge red flag for a homeowner. Oh my God, how much money am I gonna spend on the outside? So siding's expensive, it's now done. Every year it gets more expensive, you don't have to worry about it. But it's about curb appeal. So again, when someone pulls up to your house and they love the way the exterior looks, it's super cute, they love it. The odds are they're very, very high likely they're gonna put an offer on your house. Doesn't mean they're going to, but it makes it much more likely. I've seen people have a super cute house and the kitchen's gorgeous, but they're like, oh, I hate it. Like, I'm gonna redo it. Because it's not there, it's just such a personal item. So really, siding really is the best ROI that you're gonna get of anything else. It's probably only 75% of the purchase, but a kitchen's like 49. So if you put 100 grand into a kitchen, you're gonna get $49,000 back. If you put $40,000 into Hardy, you get $32,000 back. It's just a better investment.